and a meeting in one of the evenings for dinner with the team buyers is one I think Senator or the Governor has spoken about. One of the buyers of tea said, and I quote, that Kenya produces one of the very best teas in the world, but is not able to attract the best price for it. That is what one of the buyers said. And when I tried to ask what that statement meant, that is how I discovered that as KTNDA has set a price, a minimum price for every kilo of tea, then the other independent players are not bothered, are not worried, and can now even be able to sell their tea at a price lower than the $2.4. Being a business person, you also realize that you will not be able to buy a 2.4 or 3 when somebody is selling you the same quality tea from the same region at a price lower than the $2. I am giving this example so that this conference, as we sit here, we are able to come up with suggestions on how ideas on how we can be able to take advantage of the quality of our tea so that we can be able to maximize or get more better prices by really setting minimum prices for our tea in the international markets. That is one of the things that I expect or hope that this meeting can easily be able to achieve. Yes, it is true, and government has been, and we want to thank His Excellency the President, his deputy, because they have made specific interventions to address the problems of our farmers. I specifically want to say, and which we appreciate, and pass our regards and thanks from the farmers fraternity, that in the last